With absolutely no cooking, no oil, made with soaked peanuts, today's recipe is a chutney that's not just easy but super healthy and delicious too. Welcome to Beyond Bhumi. For the preparation, take 1 cup of raw peanuts. You can increase or decrease the quantity as required. Add water and allow to soak for 6 to 8 hours. Now, what are the benefits of soaking peanuts? Soaking them helps reduce the phytic acid content, which can interfere with the absorption of minerals like iron and zinc. This makes the nutrients in peanuts more bioavailable. Once soaked, drain the water and wash again once or twice. Soaking peanuts also make them easier to digest. It initiates the germination process, breaking down complex compounds and making the nutrients more accessible to the body. This is the only basic preparation that you will need for this chutney. Add the soaked peanuts or groundnuts to a mixer jar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 green chilies. These chilies are not of the spicy variety. You can add chilies as per your spice requirement. 1/2 inch piece of peeled and chopped ginger. To this, add a handful of washed fresh coriander leaves, a small piece of tamarind. You can also use lime juice in place of tamarind. 1 teaspoon of salt, or as per your requirement. Add 1 1/4 cup of water. This is to prepare a chutney of thick consistency. Grind it medium coarse. This consistency is good for your rotis, rice and dips. Remove to a container. Add 1/2 more cup of water. Check for salt and grind for just a few seconds. This consistency is finer and more diluted. This will go well with idli and dosa. The consistency can be made according to your preference. I am serving this with black rice idli. I have not added any tempering to the chutney. You can season with mustard seeds if you like. So, if you're all about quick, healthy and delicious, then you must try this chutney. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. Would love to hear from you.